Are you looking for an external hard drive for PC gaming? In this video, I will show you the best external hard drives for PC gaming in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Graid with Thunderbolt 3. The Graid with Thunderbolt 3 is an ultra-fast, high-performance, dual 7200 RPM enterprise-class hard drive storage system featuring Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and HDMI connectivity for ultimate flexibility. With dual Thunderbolt 3 ports, you can conveniently daisy-chain up to 5 additional devices to stay connected to multiple drives, 4K displays, and more, through a single connection to your computer. With the solid and stylish all-aluminum enclosure, Graid with Thunderbolt 3 not only performs at high levels, it looks good doing it too. The fourth product on the list is the Seagate 8TB expansion drive. For a laptop or desktop overflowing with files, Expansion Desktop delivers loads of add-on capacity. Take advantage of quick transfers and backups with drag and drop ease to help protect thousands of photos, songs, and more in one trusty place. Enjoy enormous desktop storage space for years to come for photos, movies, music, and more. Designed to work with Windows computers, this external USB drive makes backup easy with a simple drag and drop. Just connect the external hard drive to your Windows computer for automatic recognition, no software required. The third product on the list is the WD My Passport 4TB. The My Passport portable hard drive is trusted to store the massive amounts of photos, videos, and music you love. Available in an array of vibrant, fun colors, the sleek style fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, so you can easily take your treasured content everywhere you go. Equipped with WD backup software, so you can automatically back up photos, videos, music, and documents. Set it to your schedule. Just pick the time and frequency. Built-in 256-bit AES hardware encryption with WD security software helps keep your content private and safe. With up to 4 TB, you can take the massive amounts of photos, music, and videos you love wherever you go, and have plenty of room for other important documents too. The second product on the list is the LaCie Rugged 2 TB. With capacities of up to 5 TB, the LaCie Rugged Mini is a small but mighty USB 3.0 portable hard drive. Perfect for busy creatives, it offers premium protection for photos, footage, and more while delivering Mac and Windows compatibility, fast speeds, and customizable backup. With speeds of up to 130 MB per second, Rugged Mini enables seamless transfers and backups. The first product on the list is the Samsung T5 SSD. The Samsung T5 portable SSD has the latest in Samsung VNAND flash memory technology. Its portable design, blazing fast transfer speeds of up to 540 MB per second, shock resistance, and secure encryption make it the best portable SSD on the market. The T5 has no moving parts and a sturdy metal body, so it can handle drops of up to 2 meters. With Samsung VNAND flash memory and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface, the T5 provides transfer speeds of up to 540 MB per second. The latest T5 easily slides in your pocket or purse, with multiple color options that complement your sense of style. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.